Hello there, chat. Good morning. Do you guys like my background today? Do you guys like my background today? Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing, man? How's everybody doing? One sec. Just gotta get everything all sorted here. Alright. You guys, come on, man. You guys know me. I'm traveling, but we still gotta get the stream in, bro. We still gotta get the stream in. Where's the coffee? Come on, man. You know me. Brother Matt is in the building as well. 1 second, chat. I just gotta make sure all the... There we go. I think... How's music volume right now, chat? Let me know. What's good, Matt? How you doing, man? I'm in your state right now. And it's cold. What's going on here? I'm in your state, but it's cold. Thank you. Guys, I got wifey right in the back over here, but you can't see her right now. Oh, look, there's her hand. There's her hand.
Can you see it?
Yeah, they can see your hand. Darn Canadians, you brought the cold with you. Oh shit, man. Yeah, it is. Yeah, where's the warm weather over here, bro? Listen, for everybody that knows, I don't know if you guys know Celsius in chat. I'm pretty sure the whole world does Celsius, but America, because you guys are weird. 1 second. Let me check the weather real quick. So chat, right now I'm down in Florida, and yeah, everybody knows Florida to be a hot state. 32 Fahrenheit on my run this morning. You know what though, Matt? You know already though. It's nice running in that weather. Yeah, Chad, it's gonna be a high of, what? To be fair, it's gonna be 21 degrees today. But like tomorrow, chat, like 15. Yeah, like it's cold here, bro. It's cold. Well, I mean, it's not cold, but it's not warm. It's called special, bro. We are special. Hannah, yell the G word. Mads is definitely rage baiting right now. Chad, how's everybody doing? How's everybody's week been going, bro? I still got that UJ trade running, man. From what day did I take it? Tuesday? But listen, if targets hit on UJ, chat, we're laughing. It's gonna be over, I think it's gonna be 11K. If you guys can see, it's still, there it is. This is the daily chart too, by the way. I posted this. By the way, guys, if you guys are not in the Discord, get in the Discord. I posted a breakdown on this trade the other day. So hop in there. But yeah, not good week. Crazy for missing NQ long. Trust me, Alan. Trust me. Missed NQ longs as well, but hey, it happens. It happens. But I'm red on futures this week, and yeah, now I'm well in profit because of my UJ trade. My only CFD trade this week is that UJ trade. So that's gonna put me at, so right now I'm 6.5% green on CFDs, and I'm barely red on futures. But you guys, I took that loss with you guys the other day on stream. But yeah, hop in the Discord if you guys are not in the Discord yet. But let's go over some charts, man. Enough talking over here. I feel like I'm boring everybody. All right. What can we talk about? So let's go over some charts. So we got NQ on the higher time frames right now, taking out some internal highs. So we have our all-time highs, aka this external point that we still yet to run for, which I am gonna wait for. Do believe we'll make it there eventually. But however, we did just take out all of this. In chat, you guys know me. I've been screaming these highs for a minute, man. Ever since we sold off to the downside, I've been waiting for these highs to go, and we couldn't capitalize. Pain. But okay, we took those highs. This was on Tuesday night, so Asia, we took those highs. Now, we've left all of these lows intact. I do believe we actually might see a sell-off today, maybe even tomorrow. It is a difficult sell to frame though. However, if it does occur again, I wouldn't not be surprised. So another good confluence is this has happened, chat, and it's always good to be aware of these things. But we've taken out highs here. Price has come down to this big wick, okay, this big area, and we've respected it and gone long. So we built liquidity down here, okay, down at this low. So this is actually a low. I was gonna say FOMC, but it was not FOMC. FOMC was actually really dry yesterday, chat. Very dry. Is it that much harder to trade futures? It's not harder. It's just been, January's been more difficult for sure. Just for myself at least, but there's been other people smashing it, so to each their own. I do believe we will run for these lows though, chat. I do believe we will run for these lows. So this is what the higher time frame kind of looks like right now. And you can see, even just looking at the 4 hour, look, all of these lows should eventually go. So I'm looking at 25,803 as kind of like a final destination on NQ right now. However, YM looks a lot cleaner in my opinion. So I think my focus today will be on YM actually. We'll look through them both, but YM does look good. Directionally speaking, I've been wanting price above these highs from the left hand side, and it has done that now. So it's spiked out all of these sellers, chat. Look at this. Everybody that was shorting here. And you know what? I always like to use a box because it helps everybody kind of build the eye for this as much as possible. Look. You got sellers in here. So we've been building. Finally, I don't know what happened over here, but this is the random spike in London. Grabbing all of those. Okay? Look to the left-hand side. We have been building here for a minute now. Look at this. So, highs taken. I'm looking for price to travel to the downside now. So, that's what I see on YM currently. Entry-wise, nothing yet, man. Like, I can maybe see price back up to these highs. It's possible before seeing price continuing to sell off. Look at all these internal lows, by the way. Great confluence for us to continue going short as well. So everything's pointing short for me, personally. Yeah, we just want to see what stock open delivers for us, bro. And if we can get a little ride a short down. Yeah, I was waiting for that also. Good stuff. Everybody's favorite asset. The other day, I almost crashed out the other day, chat. We had to ban the word gold in chat. Yo, what's good, Joe? Yeah, I almost had to ban the word gold in chat because, well, actually, we did ban the word gold. Bro, and it's actually cool to look at, though, because, man, this is historical times, chat. We are above 5,500. 5,500. Look at this monthly candle. I think, and someone can correct me if I'm wrong, in the history of gold, it has never seen a month that's provided 30%. 30%, bro. This thing's moving like a fucking crypto coin right now. 30% this month. Insane. Oh my god. 30%, bro. Wild. As for day trading, chat, listen. If you trying to day trade gold, bro, God bless your soul. This ain't a day trading asset right now. This ain't a day trading asset. If you guys are in this, if you are in any sort of swing position on this thing, whether it's spot traded or day traded, God bless you, bro. You are laughing. But like, yeah, man, this ain't a day trading kind of asset right now. You know what's funny? Well, I don't want to say funny, but I think we were trading like in and around here. And I had wifey's friends asking me if it was a good time to enter gold or take positions in gold or buy gold as a whole. And it was all-time highs, right? It's just like my nature as a trader, like buying something at this point is just it hurts my soul, right? It goes everything against what I say. So yeah, don't get me wrong. If they bought up here and they held, they'll be up 27% right now. But god damn, bro, it just looks terrible. Imagine buying up here. You deal with this, okay, and then it just continues going up. I don't know. Listen, with the benefit of hindsight, sure, it would have worked out perfectly, but it just hurts my soul. Yo, I was just staring at the waiting screen. Come on, Joe. This man's behind right now.
Chad, I hope everyone's doing well, man. Listen, I'm back out, not back yet. I'm back out in Florida right now with wifey.
She's hiding from us right now. Should we show wifey on cam? She's hiding right now. See, chat? She's hiding. Okay, you're not seeing anymore. She's hiding. But yeah, I'm literally, chat, as you guys can see, wild background today. I'm literally in a hotel room. I'm in a hotel with my setup. You guys want to see how hood rat this setup is? Look at this shit, chat. Look at this. Here we go, chat. Look at this. This is my setup right now for you guys. This is my mobile setup. I had to buy a gaming laptop so it could handle the stress of doing a live stream, recording, and yeah, everything at once, because you can't do it on this MacBook. The MacBook was going to explode when I was trying to do that. Oh shit, Tony Montana, good stuff. Good looks. Yes. Apex is running a flash sale right now, a flash promo sale. 90% off. 90% off. Listen up. There's actually a guy right now on I don't know if you guys follow. I don't know his name. He's on Twitter. But he's currently in the midst of a massive run up on Apex, dude. If that doesn't fire you up, I don't know what does. I think he's floating like 3-4 mil. 3 mil, I think, in profits. I traded on a gaming laptop. Yeah, the thing is about gaming laptops is they're strong, right? They're powerful. So I needed a strong laptop. That's why I bought a gaming one. So I can when I travel, I can stream for you guys. So when I travel, I just can't like say, "Oh man, we're not streaming right now." So going through the other assets right now, guys. Listen. Euro, that the target's met, right? And we talked about this target for a bit. I even posted some charts in the Discord on Chart Fanatics. But well, actually, to be fair, we're not at full target yet, are we? Oh, line is not plotted correctly. There we go. Target is met. Now, what does that mean for me? Wait. The buy setup is complete. So I wait now. It can continue higher for a bit. It can come back up to the highs, definitely. But Euro is definitely getting an asset I have to wait on right now. Literally, my buy target is hit. Why would I be trying to look for any sort of entries right now, right? Think about that logically. USD CAD is on a mission, chat. Mission. Next destination, next target on USD CAD for whoever trades this is going to be down at like these lows. 1.3287 and then 1.3092. And then overall, dude, look at these lows down here, chat. This is going to be crazy because if USD CAD sells off this much, which means the dollar is that weak, that means the Canadian dollar is going to rise. So, come to Kenya, bro, liquidity boot camp. Yeah, that's a far flight for me, my brother. Far flight. And then my trade, chat. This is my UJ trade. Still holding. So you guys know that I've already taken out 75%. I only have 2.5 lots running now. Partials here. So I have 2.5 lots running right now. It's still like a couple $1,000s. And if it hits target, I believe it's like... 1 second, chat. Let's look. If it hits target... full target, it's another $5,000. So it'll put me at $11,600 on a single trade. Less is more, my man. I tell you guys this all the time. I have literally I've realized 6,600 on this trade in front of us right now. 6,600 is realized. If my last target is hit, it'll be another 5,000. That's $11,600 in one trade. If that doesn't tell you you do not need to be trading every single day, I don't know what will tell you that. Less is more. That's my only CFD trade of the week right now. That's the thing. When these higher time frame setups come along, they pay, bro. And that's why I love CFDs. I'm always gonna be. I drifted away from it for a bit, and when I came back, man, I was happy to be back because I do miss holding positions over the course of a couple days because I can't do that on futures, bro. Which is not a bad thing. It's good to diversify as a trader. So I use futures to scalp and I use CFDs to hold. Less is more. Yes, sir, bro. Okay, chat. What time is it? We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes until the open. I love you, Marco. I love you too, bro. Come on, man. I am Mohammed from Somalia. What's up, Mohammed? I like your eyebrows. Thanks, wifey. I would have hit my soundboard, but I don't got my soundboard with me right now, chat. I'm not at the home office. You could trade NQ with CFDs just with spreads? Yeah, 100%, Joe. If there's higher time frame setups intact for NQ, I definitely will. Yo, chat, I'm going to the studio after this stream today. I can't actually stream. I don't think we can stream the full time today. We might be on for a little bit shorter time. But we're going to the studio today, and I got some... I can't tell you what we're recording, bro, but... we're cooking something up today, chat. We're cooking something up today. No leaks. No leaks. Wifey knows, but she can't leak or she's going to be in trouble. Recording a mixtape? I can't say, bro. Let's just say I might be a rapper now, chat. I'm just kidding. Can you imagine? Miami vlog? A little hint, I can't, chat. I can't leak anything. But I'm pumped. I'm excited. Yo, by the way, I was just peeping this, right? If GJ can make it back below these lows, chat, I am a buyer. I just want GJ back below these lows. I don't know if it occurs, but if it does, that'd be ideal. Stock open coming. Yeah, let's take a look at stock open. Okay, so we got YM here. Your rap name should be The Last Rhyme Bender? Javante, what does that mean, bro? Hi, Marco. I'm holding gold long 5505. What can I do? I'm not sure. Lil NQ? Yo, Joe. No, it makes sense. More aerodynamic. Wait. Grow your hairs, bud. Dalt some Bruce says grow your hairs. Chat, he doesn't understand the pros to not having hair, chat. He doesn't understand. All right. Why I'm coming in hot to the highs. 1.8, so that is 900. What's NQ doing, chat? Nothing right now. YM is the mover right now. YM is the mover right now. The thing is, I think we could take some sort of a higher time frame entry, except the stop is just so massive, bro. So if we come a little bit deeper, chat, I could splash a little bit on this entry here. 185. Let me do the math. Yeah, we just need to come above these highs. If we come deep, like up here, then I can take an entry in extreme. If not, we gotta monitor and catch a confirmation entry. So let's see what wine can cook for us here, chat. We'll have to take it on the micros if we are taking a higher time frame one. What's NQ saying? So hourly took out the lows. I mean, on NQ, nothing really too clean, chat. Like at the least up here, if it goes long, it's hard to really identify where this thing needs to run to right now, to be honest. Okay, we've just built here. No, we've taken it out actually. And YM, is that going short too? No, not yet. So NQ's taking out these highs and it's gone short. It's kind of on a free fall right now. Look at that, spike higher and go lower. 250 ticks to the downside already. YM going higher right now. Tyler bought gold. You are good. Yeah, I won't be buying gold right now, chat. I won't be buying gold. Can you imagine buying gold right now? Like as a trader, how would you participate in a long right now? Unless you're on unless you consider the 15-minute to be your higher time frame and you're scalping. I mean, and it's not impossible. Listen, everybody has their own edge at the end of the day, right? So I just know for myself, I always use the higher time frame as my narrative to build a bias in the market, and I can't do that on gold right now because it's literally just doing this. And it ain't stopping, chat. It ain't stopping. The rhyme bender comes from Avatar, The Last Airbender. You look like the main character when he becomes an adult. Do I really? Now, chat, if you're trolling me, Matt's got the sauce. Rapper name idea. Lil Stop Loss. Yo, that's not my that would be a shitty name to have, bro. What do you think about? Oh, German 40. Listen, chat. German 40 is, I think, short, bro. I think short. Maybe these lows, bro. I think right now buying this thing would be a bad idea. Would be a very bad idea. Look at all these lows you got intact down here. Like, let me actually mark something on here. These lows would be a great short target. Great short target. Oh, he is not trolling. Watch Last Airbender. Do I need to go and find a picture of this guy, chat? 1 second. What's going on right now with YM? Right, YM's above these highs. 1 sec, chat. Okay, we're in. Okay, so a little higher time frame entry here. Let's see what happens. I kind of want to get rid of these extender lines, bro. Don't like how it's going across my whole screen. There we go. All right. Anything below this high is valid for me. Listen, if I can crawl my way out of these last three, I think my last 2 or 3 trades has been losses on futures. So let's see if we can crawl out of this this little mess lately. I need to see a sharp reaction back down out of this area, chat. Sharp reaction down. That's what we're looking for here. So trap higher, move back lower. It needs to stay anything. Literally, it can stay. It could come all the way up to the high here. It needs to just stay below the high. That's what we're looking for, and it'd be ideal to see it do it soon, meaning time-wise. Holy fuck, chat. Is this losing period going to continue on futures? $6,000 on gold next week, bro. Honestly, at this point, God knows. It's possible. It really is. It's possible. What are we at right now on gold again? 5,500, bro. Like, it's mental. Chat, listen. I remember When I was learning about trading, I think we talked about this last time on stream. We were like, bro, 1700, 1800? No, even before, bro. Like, yeah, like sub 1500. It's mental to think where gold is now. Marco, add the sound effect. I'm not at home, bro. As you can tell, I'm traveling. I'm at a hotel right now. I don't got my soundboard with me right now. What's UJ doing? UJ, honestly, I think it's just gonna slow up right now. If I had to kind of pinpoint where this thing needed to go, we have these internal highs we've left. Maybe these highs and sell off. There ain't nothing too clean to look at. I'm just gonna continue with the narrative up to the downside overall in UJ. I don't really see anything really to scale in on. 4x across the board, chat. To be honest with you, is stale right now. I don't like nothing. So I'm just gonna continue to focus on look at NQ, chat. And YM is YM gonna follow suit, or it's just gonna be a pain in the ass for us? Marco, can you check EJ? Listen, chat, 1 second, bro. I just want to see what happens here. If we get slapped again on futures, what is your TP? These lows down here. Look at chat. This is a tough one, man. Look at NQ and YM ain't following suit right now. That's not a good sign. Look at this move off the open. Holy shit. Basically 700 ticks, and YM is not following. Not good news. That is not good news. One sec, chat. What is your win rate? It ranges in between 40 and 60%. So honestly, there's been periods, bro, like I've been in the 30s too. PDL sweep coming. Let's see how to react. Yeah, I mean, look at this thing, chat. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Look at NQ and then look at YM. It ain't looking pretty, man. Seems YM's going for London highs. I'm surprised. Honestly, I really am. I actually don't see a reason why we need to run above this high. That's why my stop is there. So if it does, I'm gonna be a little stumped. I'm gonna be a little confused. Yeah, I don't know why. I'll definitely have to just sideline because I won't be sure why we're running these highs. Unless we come like all the way up here, chat. That's the only thing I can see. If it runs this high, then it's probably gonna come all the way up here. Yeah, it's a tough one. Reason for the short? I'm just targeting all this liquidity to the downside, bro. That's it. Just like you're probably gonna get taken out. Oh my god. I can't buy one right now, chat, on futures. I really can't. Get the hammer out? Nah. We're gonna have to take this one to the chin, chat. I'll show you guys. Yeah, we're out. We are out. And another one bites the dust, man. Oh, chat. I don't know. I'm stumped. I was honestly quite confident on this to continue to the downside. It probably still can, but I wanted price below this high, and it's gonna spike the high. I don't know. Maybe there's a continuation in store for us, but I'm stumped now. I'm not gonna lie. These highs over here at 49.492 is possible as well. God damn, futures has been a pain in the ass. Now I'm down on the day, chat. We're down 1100. 1100 on futures. Longest losing streak? Well, right now I think this is 3 trades in a row on futures. So listen, we're definitely going through a losing period right now on futures. Fucking annoying, but chat, but it is what it is. It's all good. And NQ. Look at that, chat. Wow. And of course, YM just has to do the opposite for us, huh? Has to do the opposite. Marco, sellers are induced. I did not view it like that. I did not view it like that, brother. Look. Like I said, I had my reasons to go short. I'm not gonna kick myself for taking the short. I didn't over risk. I do nothing stupid, so it's just a loss. It is what it is. Loss is a loss at the end of the day. That's crazy. And keep taking that low? Yes, sir, it is. Look at that 4-hour candle right now. Not even 4 hour. Look at this 30-minute. Of course. And we're in the index that does the complete opposite. Spikes the high. And now it's giving a reaction short. So this is the 6 a.m. candle. Spikes the high. Marco, what do you think about adding order flow to your strategy? I mean, you're more than welcome to, bro. But again, chat, everybody has their own spin on things at the end of the day, so. I do really want this thing to go short still. Like, really want to see this thing go short still. One sec, chat. Marco, what is the mistake you think you still make till now? One of my not mistakes, one of my weaknesses is just increasing size. I'm not good at increasing size, so I have to do it very slowly. And that's a mistake not a mistake, but it's something I've just realized over time. Yo, chat, look at this. Yo. Chat. I dropped the 13L win streak when Trump 13L streak, Joe? When Trump announced tariffs, learned a lot from that. Yeah, I mean, losing streaks do come. They happen to everybody, man. I'm going through a little losing period with futures right now. It happens, bro. It happens. I'm still in, Marco? Yeah, it would be nice if I was still, but we ain't. Look at this, chat. I mean, bro, we could just laugh. We can just laugh together. We can just laugh, chat. That fake laugh, man. I mean, it's the laugh of pain sometimes, bro. This literally happened with MQ the other day with us too. Everybody knows in stream. Everybody knows, bro. Oh, Jesus Christ. This drop on YM is generating liquidity. It's definitely not. I mean, this move here, this bullish move is just false. We were just early. Meaning, yeah, this is a hard fucking one, chat. It really is. But yeah, we were just a little early, I guess. Needed the high once more. and now it's continuing. The thing is, I know my direction's not wrong. Like my higher time frame's clean as fuck. It's just the entry was early. God damn. Look at that, chat. Should you BE? Chat, listen, if you guys are in this trade, congratulations, by the way, if you are, because I'm not. The same thing literally happened, chat, with NQ the other day. We got taken out and it went bullish. And then this. We got taken out and then it goes in our intended direction. Look at this thing move, chat. Look at this thing move. Yo, listen, if you guys are in this, man, these lows are inevitable. I'm super confident in my direction. I get my entry was early, bro. Entry was early. It is what it is. Wow. Is your bias bullish for NQ today? No. We went over all of everything for our biases today earlier in the stream before the market opened up. I was bearish on both NQ and YM. NQ really didn't provide, I feel like, in my opinion, not anything too clean. I mean, looking back, bro. Nah. This is a hard entry to take. It really is. So NQ kind of just wicked up, grabbed internal, sold off. YM, I wanted the same. Look, you guys know I had my entry here. Stop above the high. Look at that. Look at this, chat. Hey, man, the market's not perfect. No strategy's perfect. The market's not perfect. It's gonna do some fucked up shit sometimes, bro. And here you go. This is what we're looking at. Wicks us out and then goes in the intended direction. Pain, my man, pain. No way to take the NQ entry. That's a difficult one to take. It's definitely a difficult one to take. I think it's indecisive. I mean, Quiet Storm, this is a very obvious sell-off in my opinion. Very obvious sell-off. It's just induced higher once more. When this happens, it's tough. You can see also, chat, like, look, anybody selling in this area wicks that high. See? Wicks the high and then starts selling. It's just, again, it's a hard one to get into. Is what it is. Now, okay, now chat, low's gone here. If you guys are in this, just protocol wise, low's taken, have to be BE now. You have to be BE now. We could wait for a pullback now. No. Definitely BE your trade. RIP, bro. That's crazy stuff. Do you not think NQ long now is taking those? No. I would not. I don't like the longs on indices right now, chat. Look and look on YM right now. Longing above this low would be diabolical against it'd literally be against my system. We trapped the sellers. Now we're gonna look to take the lows. That's just how I'll view it. NQ wise, look, chat. We have taken out all of these highs. Look at the 4 hour here. We have a buildup of lows right here. Just because there's a little bit of a bullish reaction you're seeing right now does not mean you need to be buying. Don't get induced like that. I have a target in mind, a confident target too. I'm just gonna continue to marry that. That doesn't change. I'm just gonna, again, chat, this has been the name of the game for me. The last 3 trades on futures is take the L, let it run in your intended direction, and smile in pain. But yeah, we're down 1100 today on futures. Still waiting on UJ to do its thing and run to the lows to fulfill our final target. If that happens, it'll make me a little bit happier at least. Sir, what is the win rate of this strategy? So what is the win rate of the strategy? I mean, I've answered this question a couple of times. We can definitely go into depth on and talk about this, because the way I trade, chat, is it's systematic, it's repeatable. However, it's not like a mechanical approach where A, B, C, D happens, you take the trade, right? There is definitely discretion involved. And when there's discretion involved, strike rate and win rate will vary from person to person. And that's just how it is when there's a system that includes discretion. So for myself, I always say it'll vary between 40 to 60%. There's some weeks and months where I feel like I can't lose. There's some months and weeks where I feel like I can't buy a winning trade. Like right now, the last 2 weeks have been losses on futures for me, bro. Trading is hard, and all those futures firms' strict rules makes them harder. What do you think about all these? No, I mean, it also depends what accounts you guys are buying with these firms. If you guys are buying the ones that are cheaper, yeah, there's going to be stricter rules. Now, there's firms out there that have more than reasonable rules. More than reasonable. Marco, please check GJ. Yeah, I mean, like I was talking about before, it'd be ideal to see GJ down to these lows. It'd be very ideal to see this thing back down to the lows. Do you ever scale in if you missed an entry? Of course, yeah. If there's a scale in, bro, I'll take it. But I won't just enter to enter, right? Look at NQ, chat. Look at NQ. Look at this 30-minute candle right now. We're looking at a wick up and then a move down of 1,100 ticks, bro. 1,100 ticks. This is one mini. That's $5,500 basically. One mini. One mini. And this, yo, chat, listen. This is a perfect example for you guys. A lot of you guys are always like, Marco, my liquidity blocks don't work. Guys, not every single liquidity block is going to be 100%. Look at this, for example. I viewed this high to be a liquidity block, and that's why I took my entry off of it. Price said, I don't give a shit about your liquidity block. I'm spiking the high once more and then selling off. And that happens, bro. That happens. That's just... That's trading. There's no system. There's no system, strategy, theory, anything that's 100%. That's why you gotta manage your risk. That's the most important part. NQ's continuing. God damn. So right now on the daily, we're below Wednesday's low. We're hunting probably for Tuesday's low. Marco, in simple, your strategy is targeting respected highs for finding entry at respected lows. No, you need. Okay, if I'm bullish, chat, I want to see highs intact. Look at this. For the higher time frames, this is looking good, chat. Look, NQ, we're leaving highs intact, right? Now, in order for me to buy NQ, I want to see lows gone, right? So I'm not saying this is gonna happen, because that's not my job here. I don't just predict. However, I need to see highs intact in order for me to go long. Right? So highs intact, you need to see lows taken out, aka buyer's trap. That's just how I call it, what I call it. That's what I view it. And then we look for longs back up. Comprende? What's YM doing? So we're tapping into imbalances here, running a little bit of internal highs. I don't want to be, the thing is though, I don't want to be a seller now on this thing now that we've taken out this low. It's just a simple rule of mine. Ah, damn. Look at that. Spikes the highs, goes on the low. This is definitely even a partial point here. And that is 340 ticks to the downside. NQ, still chilling. What a move on these dollar pairs, by the way, chat. What a move. Look at this. Look at these monthly candles on the dollar pairs. Aussie, Euro, not so much. And then, of course, the dollar ones on the flip side. Look at the bearish ones. Crazy price action to the end of January. How to involve yourself on GJ? I don't see an opportunity yet. I don't see an opportunity yet. Listen, GJ sells back to these lows, chat. It's got a long way to go. So I'd look for any sell opportunities on the way back down. I'll look, when I say sell opportunities, chat, look at this. This is just what I mean. It's the same thing over and over. Like, look at how I took my UJ sell earlier in the week. I wait for a build up, aka sellers. Look, I have reasoning for price to move to the downside. I wait for them to get taken out. Now I'm looking for sells up here. And I'm targeting the downside. It's quite simple. But you need to wait. And that's where everybody screws up. You need to wait. Quiet Storm, it's like you always want me to agree with you as much as possible. I don't know what you want me to say, my man. I'm bearish on YM. Marco, please check BTC. Let's give it a look. Chad, don't say I didn't call this. I wish I had a way to take an entry on this thing. However, there ain't no short on this yet. There ain't no short. This is all a build up to me. This is all a build up to me. Look at the short from the highs though. The short from 97. So good. So good. And now we're continuing to the downside. Now, listen, chat. The cleanest thing right now would be if BTC somehow came up, spiked the highs, the short back down. Overall, though, you guys know I've been saying this for a minute. I posted this on my Twitter. 74K, chat. 74K on BTC. 74. If you are buying BTC, God bless you. Risky business. Risky business. I think YM's continuing as well. There you go. Oh, God, bro. You know, trading is so much fun sometimes, chat. Trading is so much fun sometimes. Please start trading BTC. I don't have a way of trading BTC right now, man. USC JPY re-entry? No. I don't see anything good. I'm just gonna let my runners go for now. I don't see anything. I would tell you if I did, but I don't see anything. Chat. Look at NQ, chat. 1,300 ticks now on the morning session so far. This is crazy. YM coming to the lows now. Look at the 4 hour. I'm pretty sure you can trade ETH and BTC on FTMO. Yeah, you can, but you can't hold over the weekend, or like you can't trade over the weekend. It's like the market like freezes, bro. Chat, look at this whole move. You know, man, trading is so much fun sometimes, chat. It really is. Fucking pain, bro. Pain. When it's obvious and you're not in it, fucking look at this. Wait. Look at this. Oh, there it is. It shows you here. Look. Entry? we get taken out of the trade. And see you later. Wait. Someone take a screenshot of this. Try Bitcoin futures, Marco. It's MBT. It's the same. I'll take a look into it, Tendra. Appreciate you. I'll take a look into it. Yeah, this is a hard RIP in the chat today. Hard one. It is what it is. There you go. Entry, stop loss, intended direction. Go team, go. And there you go. Our higher time frame targets hit on NQ as well. Yeah, let's just get a hard RIP, bro. Trading is it has been very fun for me this week in futures. It's been very fun. Oh man. There you go. That partial points hit. It's 2 chat right there. Those lows. Now that's 10 a.m. A pullback can occur. Let me see. I don't know. Is there an opportunity to long gold? Bro, stop. You guys are trolling me. How are we gonna long gold? Stop trolling me. Yo, chat, all we can do right now, man, is just smile and wave. You guys know the drill. Smile and wave. See you later. Rip. UJ. Nah. Yeah, we're cooked today, chat. We're cooked. All right, listen. Hey, honestly, there ain't no reason for me to stay on anyways because, listen, bro, we took the L. Listen, but let's definitely run giveaways. I have a busy day ahead of me too, chat. So I got to go all the way to the studio soon. So you know what we can do? Let's get the giveaways in. 1 second. YM standard procedure. It's a tough one today, chat. We're gonna have to move on. What are we gonna do? Sit here and complain? This is trading, bro. This shit happens. All right, listen. Let's get our giveaways on the go here. Exclamation mark entry in chat, and you can join today's giveaway. Let me make sure. 1 second, chat. One sec. How can I hide my screen here? There we go. Let's do this. There we go. All right. Exclamation mark entry in chat to enter in today's giveaway. Again, guys, short stream today. I have a full day ahead of me. And yeah, we missed out on the YM move, bro. Okay, we got Apex, Alpha, and Tradezilla, chat. It's gonna be a good one. Still a good one. All right, let me get. All right. Exclamation mark entry in chat to enter in today's giveaway, bro. You guys got this. I'll give you guys a little bit longer here to get in. Chat, how do I, one second. Let me finish this giveaway first before I do anything. Okay guys, we're gonna close it down here. We're gonna close her down here. I want to just take a screenshot of this so we can all laugh together. Because sometimes it's good to get a good laugh in, you know, and YM provided us a humorous time today. All right, chat, that is it for entries onto today's giveaway. Let me get the names all sorted out. All right, all entries are in, chat. All entries are in. The fact that you can get a 10K at Apex for less than the price of Starbucks is just wild. Mads, you ain't lying. You ain't lying. All right, let me get these names from Bossman Anthony. Here we go. Anthony, give us the names. Let me get you guys entered in. All right, chat. Here we go. Make sure everybody can see. I think we're all good. Oh shit. I know what's wrong here. Fuck, how do I do this? 1 second, chat. I gotta do some troubleshooting here. I gotta go clutch. 1 sec. Display. I think I did it. Right? I did it. W. 1 second. Boom. I'm nasty at this, chat. Okay. We got it. We got it. Okay. Here we go. Chat, let's get this little giveaway in. I think you guys can see my screen, right? Okay, I don't know. I think we're good. All right, first one's gonna be for a Apex account. Good luck, chat. Yes, sir. Trade X4T. Let's go. W, bro. Congratulations. Trade X4T. Congrats. Where you at? Talk in chat real quick so we can get you all sorted out. Let's go. There you are. Congratulations, bro. You won yourself a free Apex account. Next is going to be for Alpha Capital, chat. Let's go. Alpha Capital account going towards, here we go, lock in. Infotech Nepal. W, bro. Congratulations. You have won yourself a free Alpha Capital account. W, where you at? Infotech Nepal. W spam, I love that. Let's go. Everybody's showing love. That's what it's all about here. Even how? W, bro. That's how. Just follow instructions, chat. If you guys do win yourself an account, congratulations. And the last one is going to go towards a TradeZella. Here we go. 6 months. 6 months subscription to TradeZella. Here we go. The winner is Bogdan. 83.94. Congratulations, man. Bogdan. Let's go, bro. Show me a sign of life. Let me know you're alive and well over here, and we can get you all sorted out. Bogdan 83.94. Where you at? Bogdan. Yay, let's go. Okay, chat. We have to run. We're gonna end her off here. I love you guys. I'm down 1% on the week on futures now. Actually, just under 1%. So, we gotta lock in. We'll find something soon. CFDs is looking good. Let's see a little update on my UJ position. I'm floating 2K still, floating 2K, but my profit target is like around $5,000. So, it has quite a ways to go on UJ. We'll see what happens. Full target's still not met yet. So. Chat, love you guys. All the best. Appreciate you guys for hopping in today. Yeah, hope you guys have a good day. We have lots of stuff cooking up with Chart Fanatics, so keep an eye out in the future. All right, guys. But I will see you all. What day did it say? Thursday? Yeah, so I'll see you guys all on Monday. So have yourself a great rest of your week. Enjoy your weekend. Spend some time studying on the charts, and then also with the loved ones. Do your thing. But love you guys. I'll see you guys back here on Monday. All right. Ciao, guys. Take care.